Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I'm so excited to share with you the Gilded Autumn Specialty Designer Series paper in the new Stampin' Up! August to December 2020 mini catalog. This paper has the perfect fall colors and it has that extra specialty aspect to it, which means it's got the fabulous foil. There is both copper foil and gold foil on these designs and they are just stunning. So this pack includes 12 sheets, 2 each of 6 double-sided designs, and it is a 12 by 12 paper pack. The other colors that are included are Cajun Craze, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Mint Macaron, and Very Vanilla. And like I said, there's also that copper and the gold foil. So I'm going to go through each of these sheets so that you can see all of the pattern on that paper because it's just so gorgeous and you really need to see the full sheet to truly fall in love with this paper because it is stunning. I also wanted to share with you that there is a brushed metallic 12 by 12 cardstock pack that has bronze, copper, and gold, and there's 6 sheets, 2 each of the 3 in 12 by 12. And these are the 3 brushed looks. You can see, like I said, there's the bronze, the copper, and the gold, and they're a little bit different than the normal foil paper as they have like what looks like a streaky pattern in them. And that's that brushed look. So super gorgeous and can coordinate with this designer series paper oh so well. So I'm super excited about having that solid look to coordinate very well with the patterns that you see here. So I'm going to go through each of these sheets, pick out your favorite one and let me know what it is in the comments, and I'll share with you my favorite at the end. Okay, so what did you think of the Gilded Autumn Specialty Designer Series paper? Which one is your favorite? My favorite is by far this fourth one in that has those copper and gold acorns and leaves and things. I'm loving that one, and I'm also loving this other one that's got the mint leaves on it here. This one is my number 2 favorite, but I can't wait to use these. I think they have the excellent earthly tones for the fall season. So if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and you can also check out more projects and inspiration on my blog, laurastamppad.com. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.